Image block sliders offer a visually appealing and user-friendly interface for seamless interaction with information and multimedia elements. There are a number of slider blocks that consist of different styles that you can select from to suit your course needs. Each block has a number of setting options. Loop allows slides to appear and disappear indefinitely. Autoplay allows you to automatically transition between slides. Autoplay interval indicates the interval of time in milliseconds between each transition slide. Height. You can adjust the height of the interaction. Image size, cover. The image keeps its aspect ratio and fills the given dimension. And contain. The image keeps its aspect ratio but is resized to fit within the given dimension. You also have box style. This includes different box style options, which can be square, round, or can be removed. You can also change the box color. You also have the option to add background color or background image for each slide.